Hey, I'm Rob of Rob Brooks Realty, and this is Nick Torino. So say hello.
Hey, everybody, how's it going?
Yeah. Okay, so you operate Pivotal Physical Therapy. Tell us what that is. What do y'all do?
Correct. So we are a outpatient physical therapy office, and we work on getting people out of pain without medication, without surgery, really any type of mobility issues. We're here to help you with that. And so we have a lot of seniors that we're working with balance and falls. We also have a lot of athletes that we're working on performance and maybe if something's hurting, we're getting them to that pain-free place as quick as they can, right? Without surgical intervention or medications.
Right. Yeah, I picked up on that as soon as you said without surgical or medications. Both of those sound great. So what areas do you cover geographically?
Right. So currently we have one location in Pensacola, but are looking to expand probably within the next year to like a Pace Milton area.
Yeah. Right. Okay. Good. And so, what type of services? Like, tell me, is it with legs or arms or breathing or what?
Yeah, that's a great question. Really, I mean, if it has to do with a bone or a joint or a muscle, odds are we can treat it. We can probably treat it pretty quickly. We're big into innovation here, so we do a lot of like innovative techniques like dry needling or e-stim with dry needling, kind of like acupuncture. We do a lot of fascia work, a lot of joint mobilizations, and then a lot of corrective exercises to try to get you out of pain as quick as we can.
Okay. Now, I understood from a prior conversation that there's a lot of times that doctors are quick to suggest surgery or medication when actually you're working stretches and you're prescribing different activities for people to do. So, like, give us an example or two of what kind of things sometimes where a surgery is recommended when actually this may be better.
Sure. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, so just the other day we had a lady who had, pain like radiating down her leg. It was a pinched nerve, and was, felt like she really needed surgery. Her doctor, her surgeon wanted to do surgery, but I think she was being tripped up by her insurance that said she had to do physical therapy first. And so she, obviously wasn't real happy. She wanted to get that surgery as quick as possible, but within like 2 weeks, she was completely pain-free just from showing her like the right movements, the right stretches, how to fix her posture. And we were able to save her from having a surgery. We usually have like somebody comes in like that, usually like every week where, it's looking like, I don't know what the path is besides surgery, but then once we're showing them, we're getting those quick wins and we're getting them out of pain. We're able to save people, from going to surgery, I think most of the time. What was your second question?
Well, that was my main question. So,
Yes.
so you doing that, and she was anxious to have her surgery done. Was she smiling when she canceled?
Yes, very much so.
Right. Okay, good. So tell me, is this something that insurance covers? You mentioned earlier that her insurance said that she needed to do this first. So is this something that normally insurance covers?
Yeah. Most insurances have coverage. And you don't need a physician referral. So we treat walk-ins. There's direct access in Florida. So you can just call us up. You don't need a physician referral or anything.
Yeah. Okay, well, good. Well, how do they contact you? Just a phone call, or what's your phone number, or how do you prefer?
Yeah, either one works. Our office line is 850-616-2040. But you can also, if you Google Pivotal Physical Therapy, we're the one that shows up in Pensacola. You can always just stop in. We're happy to talk with you too if you want to come by the office. Our website is Pensacola PT and Wellness. So you can reach us at any of those, but I think Google's probably the easiest and the fastest way.
Yeah, I noticed on Google, just as I suspected from what we had communicated earlier, you get great Google reviews. And so just as an interesting side note, our kids play soccer together in the 4-year-old. And so we just have a good time as dads watching our kids play. I coach it, which is an extra amount of fun.
Yeah.
So, Nick, I appreciate you visiting with us. And this is Rob of Rob Brooks Realty.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. This is where I live.